You need to live every moment and ask. Make your eyes open and your ears open. I choose to be a participant in the MOBILISE program because I want to learn more. As you know, that in agriculture, now with the climate change, with the less resources, we need to produce more with less. And in Tunisia, we have a problem of water shortage, and the Dutch farmers are pioneering in that field. So I went to Mobilize program for having the information and to know how to produce more with less. So when I went there, I was surprised because I immersed myself in the Dutch farming culture. So I exchanged informations with farmers, with Dutch people. I took some information about Holland, and they took some information about Tunisia. One memorable experience that I learned the most is not especially academic. It's more moral. It's like a value, my supervisor and the farm owner. So he told me, Aziz, the biggest problem when there is no problem. So that gave me confidence to work and to feel like I'm working in my farm in Tunisia. I felt like, yes, now I can learn more. Because if you don't do mistakes, you cannot learn. My advice to the new participant, just live the moment. Enjoy every moment there. And every difficulties that you are going to face it, you will miss it when you go back to your country. Just have fun, make friends, enjoy your time. You need to live every moment and ask. Make your eyes open and your ears open, because every information is really ex- good for your professional career. I left Holland, but Holland and the Divider family, they didn't leave me.